Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I have this Sennheiser headset. It's the Sennheiser NoiseGard model number. Where is it? Here. PXC 250. It's a very old headset. I think it's from the mid 2000s. I think around 2005. Anyway, it was given to me after it had been in storage for many years. And so I removed some of the most corroded batteries that I've ever come across. And so I suspect there's going to be some corrosion damage, especially to the battery connector inside. So yeah, you can see signs of the corrosion even on the outside. So before I try putting batteries in, I wanted to open it, give it a good clean, and then I'll test it with a couple of batteries. It takes two AAA batteries. So this may be just a simple matter of cleaning the battery connector inside, the spring connector. But we'll see. Let's open it up and find out together. So there are three holes, I think, with screws. This one here, the first one here, is a Phillips head screw, but I can't make out the screw types of these two other ones here. So let's go under the microscope and okay, so these are also, are they the same size? Yeah, they look to be the same size. So we're going to need a small Phillips screwdriver. So this one, this one, this one first. And then no, this is not reaching. They're too thick. So I'm going to need to find smaller sized screwdriver. Alright, so I found I have this small screwdriver set for glasses, and this should work. Alright, they're shorter. This one is shorter than the other one. Okay. Alright, we're in. So here we go. Can't see anything obviously on this side because the battery is on the other side. Let me remove the circuit. Is it going to come out easily? It's stuck on this battery thing. Just have to squeeze the battery. There we go. It has an LED indicator, a light here, and an on-off switch. I think this is to turn on the noise cancellation feature of this headset. Yeah, we have quite a bit of corrosion here. Let's go directly under the microscope, not waste time. Let me raise this up a bit so we can see more. That's about as high as I can go. So you should be able to see the corrosion there. And on the spring, on that spring, there's some on the board also. Anyway, for now, oh, here we have quite a bit on the inside. Look at this here. This all needs to be cleaned out. Okay, at this point here. Okay, so let me clean all this out a bit. I'll use I'm going to start with IPA, although for something like this, white vinegar is usually better, but let me start with IPA and see how far I get along with it. I think it's clean enough that we can give it a test. So, yeah, the light did come on. Let me take a quick look the other side of the board. See if we see anything suspicious. Alright, let's put it back together. Alright, put the batteries, give it a test. Yeah. Off. On. So I think this is all fixed. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it wasn't really involved, but sometimes they come easy, sometimes they come hard. This one was a simple, easy repair involving just cleaning up some corrosion from a battery. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.